what the heck? Oh my god.
This ain't no white rain.
This weather app is wrong. What'd you put it for, California?
No, it's WDAM weather. And it literally is tracking me.
Oh my god.
It's wrong. I don't think this ain't no. Oh, wait. But we checked it like an hour ago. Oh my god.
What? This ain't light rain anymore, boys. Gang, this ain't light rain no more. Well, just try to tilt your phone up. Oh my god.
I don't like this.
Guys, I'm being recording for 1 minute just to start up lights. Guys. Oh my god.
Oh, bruh.
Oh
Guys,
my.
if we die tonight, you know why.
I'm posting this show.
If we die tonight, you know why, guys.
This is the most awkward way to record ever. Recording through blinds.
Who isn't recording through blinds?
Oh my god, this hurts my dang arms.
Guys, anything about it?
Oh my god.
It lit up like it's daylight.
Jeez. Please don't say that. That was weird.
Bro, it lit up like it's daylight.
Oh my god. Wait, let's go over there and record from the front one. Alright, we're recording.
Bro.
Oh my gosh. Wait, careful not to reveal our identities here. Wait.
Oh. Bro, what the heck?
Yo, this is getting crazy.
True.
An average day in Mississippi.
Yeah, y'all, just an average day in Mississippi. Oh. Bro, what the heck was that? Okay, Carl is my dog. He's like our alert says, yo.
This is getting weird. I'm surprised no one woke up yet. We woke up to the sound of thunder. Oh my god.
We woke up to this.
Is it light rain anymore? Oh my
Should we
god.
go tell my nose when bad weather is coming?
Hold up. Oh my god. What? What is that? I'm excited for that fun